Hi, this is Ruth Angelina. Welcome to Simply Made Fancy. And you know what? It's Valentine's and there's also Galentine's. But what about family Valentines? That's what we're celebrating together. And I put together this fun treat little station for my boys so we can enjoy ourselves. So let me show you how we did it. So I know you've seen these. They're like all over the place. I got mine at Walmart. It's a little waffle maker that has shapes. They come in all different kinds, but it's teeny tiny and mini. And of course, I had to get one and test it out. So here it is. I got the one with the hearts for Valentine's Day. It's super, super cute. It's one of those things that, do you really need it? But it's so cute and inexpensive, why not, right? And to make a little special treat and make your family feel special, definitely a win for me. So I got it and I'm using it for Valentine's Day. I made this little spread with the waffles and some strawberries, and we're gonna dip them in chocolate, and that'll be our little family party. So this, I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is. Do me a favor, buy yourself this big thing of pancake mix, and it also has a waffle recipe there that you can follow. And I get this at Costco. I love it. We can't live without it in our home. That's like on our list every couple months once it runs out, and we love it. Simple way to make pancakes. I'm gonna test it out. I already made a couple batches, as you can see. I'm gonna show you how simple it is. Get yourself a scooper, ice cream scooper. Open it up. You can spray it if you want. One scoop is enough. Close it up, and then it'll tell you when it will be done. So this little thing, I highly recommend it. I'll link it below so that you guys can shop around and get your own. And now I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with the waffles. I have the waffles, and of course, Valentine's means chocolate. Strawberries covered in chocolate, and these little waffles are gonna covered in chocolate. So this is what I'm doing. I have this chocolate fountain. I got it years ago. I'm gonna link one that's just like it so that you guys can check it out, because this one, you can't find it online anymore. And I have this melting chocolate pot as well. I'm gonna link one for you as well, this one. This particular brand, they don't sell them as much, so you're not gonna be able to find it. I'll link one that's similar. So here we go. I've already melted the chocolate. It's regular chocolate chips, but I also added shortening to make it a little bit thinner so that it can go on here. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna, don't wanna get any chocolate in my beautiful shirt. Let's make sure that everything is good. Okay. I've already turned on the machine and it's been warming up. But now I'm going to pour in the chocolate. And then as you turn, the chocolate is gonna start coming out from the top. The boys are going to love this. And you get your little chocolate covered heart waffles, the best. And my favorite, chocolate covered strawberries. My boys also love Oreos, so I'm gonna dip a couple of Oreos in chocolate and then add some sprinkles. And I think we're ready for this Valentine's Day party. Isn't this setup super cute? It's my treats for Valentine's Day party. And I know that my boys are gonna love it. And we have a cozy fireplace going on so that we can sit and enjoy and have some special Valentine's treats. Hey everybody! Family Valentines!
Yay!
Our Valentine's treat station is a hit, and you guys can make one too. I hope you enjoyed this video and show some love, like and subscribe. See you next time.
Yeah.